Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to cash out on the Finelo app step by step. First, open the Finelo app and log into your account. Once you're inside, go to your wallet or earnings section where your balance is displayed. Next, look for the withdraw or cash out option and tap on it. This will take you to the withdrawal page. Now, choose your preferred payment method, such as bank transfer or any available option in your region. Enter the required details carefully, like your account information. After that, type in the amount you want to withdraw. Make sure it meets the minimum withdrawal limit set by Finelo. Once everything is filled in, review your details and tap on Confirm to submit your request. Now, all you need to do is wait. Your request will be processed and the funds will be sent to your selected payment method within the given time. And that's it. That's how you can easily cash out your earnings on the Finelo app.